This was one of the worst roof installations I have seen over the last 20 years. There were installation issues throughout the roof, leaks in multiple areas, valleys not installed properly, poor chimney flashings, bad nailings throughout the roof, and the worst part was no underlayment was installed before the shingles were laid down. The old shingles were no longer made or available, so the roof was not repairable. We had to get the insurance involved and finally got the roof totaled by the insurance company. We installed new OSB decking per city code, then installed Atlas Summit 60 underlayment to the entire roof deck. We installed Atlas Storm Master Slate impact rated shingles to match the style of the roof. This was a challenging project with the steep pitch and the house being 2 stories. The crew did a fantastic job and the project turned out fantastic. Call Douglas Fry Roofing for any of your roofing and repair needs.